Have you ever dreamed to become the richest person in the world? Imagine having all the wealth and power you could ever desire. It's a dream that many people share but very few actually achieve. So how did the world's richest people get to where they are today? Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. These names are synonyms with success and wealth. They have built empire and changed the world. But how did they do it? It was not easy, and their journey were filled with challenges and setbacks, but they all shared certain qualities and characteristics that helped them reach the top. The journey to becoming the richest person in the world starts with a dream. You have to believe in yourself and your abilities. You have to have a vision for what you want to achieve and a clear plan for how you are going to get there. You have to be willing to take risks and pursue your passions. Success does not come from playing it safe. It comes from stepping outside your comfort zone, taking calculated risks, and putting everything you have into making your dream a reality. You have to be disciplined, focused, and willing to work hard. Success does not come overnight. It requires long hours, hard work, and dedication. You have to be willing to make sacrifices and put in the effort required to achieve your goals. You have to be smart, strategic, and able to make wise investments. Building wealth requires more than just hard work. It requires making smart decisions and investing your money wisely. You have to be able to spot opportunities and make strategic investment that will pay off in the long run. And most importantly, you have to surround yourself with the right people who will support and encourage you on your journey. No one achieves success alone. It takes a team of talented and supportive people to help you reach your goals. Surround yourself with people who share your vision and will help you achieve your dreams. The road to becoming the richest person in the world is not easy, but it is possible. Take hard work, dedication, and a willingness to take risks and make sacrifices. But if you believe in yourself and your abilities and you are willing to put in the effort required to achieve your goals, anything is possible. Who knows? Maybe one day you could be the next Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, or Elon Musk. It all starts with a dream, vision, and the determination to make it a reality.